This is my iPad Air 2 and I will be kind of showing you how to use split screen mode. So first is select the first app that you'll be doing split screen, and today I'll be doing Chrome. Once that's loaded, you want to get the home screen to open, and then you choose your second app that you're gonna drag in to the screen from the home screen. So I'm gonna put YouTube onto here and there. So now I have sort of a split screen. If I move this pop-up screen to I need to tap the very top of the screen. There's a little gray bar. Tap that, hold, and bring to the bottom right, and then that means it'll place it on the right side. Likewise, you could go to the bottom left, and it'll put it on the left side. So for now, I'm just gonna put it on the right side, let go, and there you have split screen. If you want to get rid of the split screen, you can scroll. Well, you can make the screen larger on the left side, or you can make the screen smaller on the left side. Again, there's a little gray bar that you can barely see here in the middle. And so you just have to press and hold it. And you can move it. So there's only 3 configurations: here, here, and here. Finally, if you want to get rid of the split screen, just move it all the way across and let go, and voila, you got rid of split screen. So again, I'm going to add YouTube again. Press and hold YouTube. Then move it to the side over here like this. So now I have split screen. And then I just wanted to show again how it could do split screen. That's it. Nothing crazy. And again, if I just want to have YouTube, I can get rid of it by pressing the middle, holding, if I can do this right, it's not exactly easy, and scrolling all the way to the left. One thing that I usually have trouble with is when it's like this, how you get rid of it when it's on a sort of pop-up mode. Again, I think you need to press the little gray bar on the top and hold. Maybe I can just move it to the very bottom. No. To the side. So if you move it off to the side, it'll eventually disappear. So again, if you have the pop-up, this one's another way you could do it, where if you have all the different loaded screens, just choose the one that you want, wait, and go there. And like I said, if you want to get rid of this pop-up, press it and hold, and go off to the side. So I had to go to the top right to get rid of it, or maybe top left and it gets rid of it. That's it, nothing magical. On the other video, I'll show you how you can do it using the app drawer over here. I don't know what you call the screen where it shows all the loaded apps. It's really simple. You just choose an app from your dock. Like I'm going to use Chrome again. And then once it shows that, I can slide it over onto any of the apps. And then they'll do split screen. So good luck.